Hello, welcome to Going Off Grid from Scratch. The little diesel heater ain't working. Hopefully you can see it. It's throwing an E-10 code. And hopefully you can see that. Got the cat in the way, thinking I'm trying to play with her. And see if I can set you down here and get you some brighter light. Okay. You can see it's somewhat inside of there. And I'll shine it down in there. It's almost closed. Not almost closed off, but it's pretty closed off. So I gotta check that out. Let's see if we can tip it over some. I'll take that out there and stick it in the, well, not stick it in the stove, but I'll take the air gun and dust it out. See what it looks like. Oh, holy shoot. Here's a headlamp. Looks like I need to tear it apart. Oh, my battery's dying on my headlamp. You should be able to see that some. Get in here with a screwdriver and see what I can do. Oh yeah. It's just soot. I just gotta clean it out. Get some brake clean. Clean it all out. It won't take long. Get this swept up. I'll have it back to working. There we go. And that is it was throwing an E-10 code, saying it could be the battery, but the battery's charged. You can see it's 13.8, and said it could have been the fuel pump. But all my fuel is clean. I'll put clean fuel. Here's my dish. And you see this little residue, dust or whatever's in there, but that's it. Got a fuel filter in here. I keep it clean. Looks like there's some water in there. That's straight from the tank. Alright, please like and subscribe. Right from the gas tank. Gas pump. Or fuel pump.